How to send email on Spark Mail for Mac. In this video, I will show you how you can send emails on the Spark Mail app on MacBook. To send a new email, just click on the Compose button from the top. A new window will open. Write the email on the To input. Write the subject of the email. Write the content of the email. You can select a signature for your message. Signature is the part from the bottom of the email that can contain your contact, info about you, and other stuff that you think is relevant. If you do not have one, just click on the No Signature. Click Add New Signature. Write your signature, then close the window. I will just write a test one. Now click again No Signature and select the new one. On the bottom we have the Send button. Spark has a nice feature that can send an email later. Use this feature if you want your email to be sent on a specific date and time. Also, you can create email templates and use email templates. You can create as many templates as you like. You can also attach files to your email. Click on this button to attach a file. Please note, you cannot attach very big files, as email providers will not accept it. If you have a file that is over 50 megabytes, I suggest uploading it on an online file storage like Google Drive or OneDrive, and add only the link to the file in the email. Now the file has been added. The last button from the bottom is the Style button. You can use this button to format your text. This is just a demo, but you can use it how you like. After you have finished the email, just hit Send. Now the email has been sent. If you wish to check your sent messages, you can do that by going to the Sent folder. Here you will get all your sent emails. This is how you send an email on Spark Mail for MacBook. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.